Hey, guess what? On my 2001 Sport Trac, I got locked out at the gas station sitting there. Luckily, my neighbor who sold it to me had an extra key and came down and bailed me out. But if I would have had the code to pop into the door on the keypad, I could have unlocked the truck and been back in. So, um, the way to find it in this 2001 is to pop up this defrost panel cover, vent cover, and I just use a screwdriver. This is a 2001 truck with over 200,000 miles. I don't care about a few scratches on the dash. So pop that up and then go outside and look through the window, and there's a white box and there will be five bold digits on there, and that is your code. Now that's a factory code which you cannot change, but you can add your own user code if you want. So then you'll have two, the original code and your user code that you can remember easier. So I'll put a link to how you can change the code and different functions of this keypad, but woohoo, it works. Awesome. Now I've got a little screenshot here on the very end that shows you how to turn off the auto lock feature so you don't get locked out like I did when you're just sitting there and your truck decides to lock itself.